Okay, I want you to understand that obviously you guys know I love Luna, and I was gonna check out their dance practice regardless for Love4eva, but I made sure I checked it out as soon as possible because of something that came up in my not my stuff box, my home like recommended, and it's this. I'm not gonna play it because it's from Mnet, it's from End Countdown, but I'm gonna put it on screen just so you know what I'm talking about, bro. Do you see this, bro? Look at her. It's a true fan cam. And I was kind of losing it, keeping myself from watching. I haven't watched the entire performance either. But it's been hurting me not to watch this. Oh my god. I need to watch this, okay? I need to watch this, and therefore I need to watch the choreo practice, a dance practice to Love4eva. So that's what we're gonna do today because I need this in my life. I need to watch this. I love you. You don't understand, okay? You don't understand. Not only that, but obviously I'm doing all the B-sides, and Rain 51dB is one that, even though I did tell you guys I was saving B-sides for afterwards, that's actually one I accidentally skipped over, so my bad. We're gonna check it out right now, right after the dance practice. I did say that Eve's dance practice was gonna come next, but then I saw that this was a thing. Okay, saw this was a thing, and no, I'm sorry, Eve. I love your song. It's my favorite song now. She was still the bias. I need to watch this. Okay, all right, so we're gonna do both. We're gonna start with the dance practice because things have to happen. Oh, Eve is tall. It's gonna be so hard to not just keep looking at you. Does she have that stuff on her leg because she's hurt? I don't know. Sometimes I see them with it, and sometimes I don't know if it's actually because they're hurt. Or does she have tats and she's covering them? I don't know. She has them up here too. And here, like on her sides. Get it. I really want to watch that live performance. This is why I'm here, okay? Oh. It's weird how perfectly straight that was when they did that. Like when they connected like that. Oh my god. And that locked in place. And it like looks so dope. Sing it. This is me during dance practices, okay? This is me. Just a fanboy. Here it goes. Rest in peace, camera stability, bro. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Close to me. Get it. know there's a few other dance practices too. I needed that. Now I can go watch that in peace. Whew. I'm a weird person, okay? I want to watch the dance practice with you guys, but I was gonna chill because I was gonna do Eve's choreo first. But then I saw that and I'm like, okay, hold on, Eve, hold on, hold on. We're gonna check out Rain 51dB, and this is a Luna 1/3. It's weird how like this came out, because this came out after Jinso and Kim lip song, you know. Lyrics are, yep. Are they actual lyrics? Shout out to Blackberry. Oh, it's shots from all the. Oh, this is so. There were shots like that in Vivi's video. Like with like the bright looking, like this shot right here. Hold on. My inner Luna theorist just like lost it. But the Luna theorist just like went on like a time travel binge, bro. Like I'm just like alright, you know, I'm gonna keep it. I'm not gonna listen. I want to enjoy this, but I just like, you guys know me, bro. You guys know me. Hold on. Oh. Always by my side. I just want like on a whole time travel theory thing. Hostile wrecking. I like the snapping, yo. This stage. Oh, it's like old looking and has a 90s feel to the song too. Vivi's contagious ass smile, bro. We promise. Also not finished for the first time. She's a really good singer too, yo. Like, oh my god, there's so many really good vocalists on this group. I find it so dope that this has such like, it feels like a song pulled out of the 90s instead of a song that's supposed to be an homage to the 90s. You know what I mean? That was so classic, bro. Like, never gonna give you up. That is so. Took me back further than the 90s, bro. You know how I feel did this well too? EXID with Lady. Like their 90s vibe was more of like an upbeat though. This is more of a slower, but you get the vibes, and it feels like those two songs just grabbed out of the 90s. It's kind of dope, to be honest. Dude. I live for that moment right there, and now Heejin holding that note too right after it. But let me have this. I'm curious to see like what people think about this video as it pertains to everything with oh my god. Moments like this are why I want to like get the time right for me to stream, because like I just have poor time management skills. That's why I haven't done it yet. I told you guys I want to do it. I haven't done it yet. I have not continued with thing yet with Luna TV because of the same reason. I want to watch it with you guys. But this is the exact same reason, because I have questions like this. Like I want to know what people like. If this is just like, it's a lot of like, this is like more like a lyric video. It's a B-side, right? But it's more than just a lyric video, even though it has the lyrics underneath. Apart from just the YouTube lyrics, the lyrics are actually there. But as it pertains to like a timeline, because I feel like there's also like a timeline with these songs that gets thrown off when you hit Vivi, you know? Because I feel like hers takes place a lot earlier, like her song. People were telling me that that's also like maybe like before she became an android, and it had shots like that with like the bright color, which is like very old school, you know, with like the very like the high, I don't know what it is, the high brightness, or exposure. Is it like exposure like on settings? I think it's exposure like on Photoshop and everything. So I think that's what it is. It literally like they, I don't know what else I can watch from them, because I know a lot of these B-sides I check out are gonna be lyric videos. Are gonna have hints to it. I don't know if Eve's stuff is gonna have, because I think it's just her in the practice room, her choreo, if I'm not mistaken, her choreo video. So I don't know what else I'm gonna watch from them that's gonna have hints towards like the main story. But I feel like this had some ties, or at least referenced the fact that hey, we did this before. If you notice it, you're dope, you know. Or if it actually has meaning to it. I don't know. I feel like it does have voice crack. I feel like it does have some kind of, am I gonna leave that? I'm gonna leave that in there. I feel like it does have some kind of connection with Vivi, at least when it comes to like a timeline thing. But I don't know. Let me know. I'm gonna finish. Actually, no, I'm not gonna finish recording. I'm gonna go watch that fan cam right now, because my itty bitty lunatic heart can't take the fact that that's a thing and I haven't watched it yet.